Spark plug misfire symptoms. There are a couple of symptoms of spark plug misfire to look out for when driving your car. But before we dive in, quickly click on the subscriber button, like and share. We'll be back after the break. These symptoms, if not quickly identified and fixed, could lead to serious engine problems. Without a spark, it would be impossible for fuel to burn in the combustion chamber. Spark plugs require routine service and maintenance, making them similar to fuel filters, motor oil, and air filters because they require routine service and maintenance to keep your engine running efficiently. Most vehicles require their spark plugs to be replaced every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. However, some newer vehicle models come with advanced ignition systems that apparently make the replacement of spark plug unnecessary. There are circumstances where a spark plug wears out, irrespective of any warranties made by a vehicle manufacturer. 6 spark plug misfire symptoms. 1. Hard starting. The first spark plug misfire symptoms to look at for is hard starting. If you encounter issues with starting your vehicle, it could mean your spark plugs are worn out. At the first sign of problems starting your vehicle, contact a certified mechanic to check out the problem. 2. Poor acceleration. Any problem in the ignition system commonly leads to poor acceleration in most vehicles. But a worn-out spark plug may be responsible for this issue in some cases. 3. Poor fuel economy. When a spark plug is working properly, it helps to efficiently burn fuel in the combustion cycle, meaning your car can achieve better fuel economy. However, when the plug is not functioning properly, it may be that the gap between the spark plug electrodes is either too close or too far apart. 4. Rough idle. Your engine may sound rough while idling, indicating a bad spark plug. The vehicle encompassing jumpy sound will also trigger your vehicle to vibrate. It can point to a spark plug issue in a car. 5. Engine surging or hesitating. When your engine hesitates while accelerating, it means the engine is not responding properly. This means the engine is sucking in more air than it should in its combustion process, triggering the delay in power delivery. The hesitation and surging of the engine could point to an issue with the spark plug. 6. Engine is misfiring. If a misfiring engine is left unchecked, it will cause the exhaust emissions to increase, and engine power and fuel economy will drop. However, if you still continue using your car and leave all these signs unattended, it can ruin the engine of your car. The parts to replace your spark plugs cost between $50 and $75. You'll probably spend more on labor costs than on the actual plugs. So it's important you replace and fix your plug, in order not to spend much repairing your car. I hope this video was useful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more videos.